In this video, we will learn how to write variable. We will assign value in a variable, and print it out with the help of echo statement. In PHP, variable are defined by $, and it is followed by a variable name. To assign a value in variable, we will use equal sign, and a value. Variable name could be anything, but remember the name should be meaningful, so that it is easy to remember their name. Variable are like a placeholder, which can hold certain value. The value can be either a number or a text. Text value is always written inside double quotes, and number doesn't require double quotes. Let us see how to write a variable name. Space is not allowed in variable name, but underscore is accepted. You should not use special character as variable name. Mixing uppercase and lowercase letter are accepted. Let's move into our code and see how we can modify our code to variable. I will create a variable name message. Now, assign the value hello everyone to the variable. Finally, we will echo the variable value, like this. Now, when we reload the browser, we will get the same result. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the types of variable.